car shopping. My new car. Shopping for cars. We're getting a new car. We're at the dealie. We at the dealie. Shopping. She so doesn't want to shop for these cars. She's been putting it off for weeks. She don't want to do it. Oh, she liked that one. Oh, she liked that one. Woo! We getting me a new car. Let's get it. I called the dealership yesterday. I told them the deal I want. I'm going to get this car. I'm going down there now. We're talking deals, and if we ain't getting this car, we going somewhere else. I'm at the dealership. Just got some quotes and test drove, and now we're looking at some prices. Maybe gonna get the car, maybe not. We'll see. We're looking at the other model right now, and then I think we're gonna sign. Back at the dealership, and we are signing for a Hyundai.
Yeah, they bet income. You just sign it right there, and right there, and I opted in, so they do not.
She got the keys. She got the keys. Oh, look at her. Look at her with the car. She's got a picture. This is going on the YouTube channel. Don't beep the horn. Oh, she beeping the horn. That's not me. We just signed the deal with Hyundai. That's her right there. There she is. She about to drive this thing off the lot, bro. We just scored ourselves a 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe in what is it called? Portocino mushroom color, which sounds disgusting, but it's so cute. It's a two-tone on the inside. I got pictures and videos coming soon to y'all to see this beauty. And now I get to go in the old car. There she is. Look at her go. Woo! Look at that Santa Fe. Oh yeah. Get it, girl. Soaking in the new car smell, baby.